This is the WORKPRO 6-piece half-inch drive socket adapter set in the black phosphate finish. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely, packaged up nice in this box. You can see that's some wax paper over there to keep the lubricant from getting the box wet, which is pretty cool. I may actually hold on to this box and just store them in here until I randomly throw them in my tool bag. This set is made from chrome vanadium steel, which is a good choice for normal use sockets, ratchets, similar tools, high strength, hardness, resistance to wear, corrosion, and impact. For someone like me who just does chores around the house and the occasional car repair, I would expect a set like this to last me quite a while. Inside the kit, you are going to get the 3 popular length socket extension bars. We have the 3-inch, the 6-inch, and the 8-inch. You can see that they have laser etched marks on the side, which they say are resistant to wear. The way they are now, for me at least, they're easy enough to read and spot, you know. We have a universal joint and we have a 1/2-inch to 3/8 adapter. This combo, along with a couple of these adapters, is perfect for reaching my O2 sensor, which is normally at a tough angle to get, so I like that. Perfect for spark plugs, all kinds of stuff. We have a hex shank adapter, perfect for drills. Got my little 8-volt here. Each of these adapters has a ball detent system on here. It's good for keeping everything secure and in place, which I like. So there you go, a nice versatile CRV set of 1/2-inch socket adapters, which are good for around the house, the garage, good for impact wrenches, the shop. You can use them alone or you can combine them together for trickier jobs. And when you're done, if you want to, you can store them back in the case that they came in, which is what I'm going to do. Very nice.